Okay, so we got this project we're working on. This got a little more patina than I care to whatever. But so we've got a bathroom vent. It's got not lots of history here. And we're gonna restore this. We're gonna see what it looks like when we're done. So we got Bob sandblasting this. I'm gonna flip this around. Hey Bob, how we looking? Wow, look at that. That is disgusting. So we've got here is a very nice sandblasted finish. We're just back down to bare metal. And now we can either get a primer coat or just a paint primer finish on this and put it back in the floor and get her working. So here we got the final product. Got a nice couple coats of black paint on there. We got our functional louver. So yeah, nice before and after pictures. So if you have anything like this that needs to be restored, give us a call. Visit our website, graybarn.co, G-R-A-Y barn.co. Thank you.